Transforming your life with hypnotherapy just got easier with your host, Julie from coachinghypnosis.net.
Welcome, dear listener, to Coaching Hypnosis and the Green Reawakening series. Today, we explore a quietly transformative idea that your refrigerator, so often overlooked, can become a canvas of elegance, intention, and sustainability. No longer a cold repository of forgotten jars, but a living gallery of nourishment and grace. Each shelf curated, each ingredient honoured, and every choice reflecting stewardship of both body and planet. In this episode, we invite you to see your fridge not as storage, but as a sanctuary where mindful order whispers of care, connection, and beauty. Once upon a time, 2002 to be precise, Korean electronics giant Samsung unveiled an internet-ready refrigerator. Imagine it, a hulking silver machine with a glowing screen on the door, promising the future of kitchens. The truth, of course, was that very few people desired a computer fused to a fridge. It was theatre, a performance of innovation designed not so much to be useful, but to make people whisper, "Samsung? What is Samsung?" At that time, Samsung was still a brand of budget microwaves and discount televisions that one bought when refinement seemed out of reach. And yet, this spectacle worked. The internet fridge appeared everywhere in glossy ads, even design spreads. The stunt elevated Samsung into the realm of aspirational, a prestige brand now synonymous with sleek lines, luxury screens, and global desirability. But here, dear listener, is the pivot. In today's world, the true elegance of the refrigerator is not its touchscreen flamboyance, but its discretion, its restraint, its ecology. A fridge must be more than cold storage. It must be a steward of energy. Consider Samsung's transformation. No longer content with spectacle, the brand now pioneers refrigerators that embody quiet, intelligent sustainability, digital inverter compressors that sip rather than guzzle electricity, interiors arranged for natural airflow to keep food fresher for longer, and innovations like AI energy mode, which learns your habits to save up to 15% more power. Their bespoke line even embraces customizable panels built for longevity, and many models employ natural refrigerant R600A, cutting emissions while operating with whisper, quiet grace. Even the materials themselves matter now. Recycled plastics, reclaimed steel, biodegradable insulation increasingly shape conversation. Samsung's upcoming hybrid cooling fridge, blending compressor technology, hints at a near future where preservation meets artistry both in form and footprint. Some of you know I once suffered metal toxicity, so for me, a touch of high-quality plastic inside a fridge is preferable to metal alternatives. Safety, stewardship, and practicality can coexist beautifully. The tasteful home does not ask its refrigerator to entertain. Instead, it asks, does this machine respect my food, my energy, and my planet? Your fridge can be more than a machine humming in the background. It can embody refinement, stewardship, and art. Consider opening its doors to find not chaos but curation, bright fruits arranged like jewels, vegetables stacked neatly in linen bags, glass jars filled with pulses, herbs and grains. Each item placed deliberately, as though in a gallery of nourishment. The technology itself can echo this ethos. Brands such as Miele, with its whisper quiet efficiency and long-lasting design, craft appliances built not for disposability, but for endurance, Bosch Green technology offers refrigerators designed to sip electricity sparingly, marrying German engineering with ecological foresight. And Liebherr, a name synonymous with precision, creates fridges that preserve freshness with minimal waste, where crisp drawers and temperature zones respect the integrity of every apple, berry, and green leaf. This is elegance beyond the surface. An eco-fridge filled with intention becomes a partner in conscious living. It ensures your berries remain vibrant, your herbs stay fragrant, your cheeses mature gently, while the planet too is spared excess. No waste here, only thoughtful preservation, leftovers reimagined, fresh ingredients honoured, and every shelf arranged with an artist's eye. This is not deprivation, but refinement, the same precision that guides a Parisian wardrobe or an elegant table setting. The fridge, then, is a teacher, reminding us that attention, order, and beauty belong in even the quietest corners of our lives. Your fridge, as a sanctuary of elegance, also depends on the vessels within it. Here, the choice of container becomes a quiet act of artistry and ethics. Instead of disposable plastics, imagine a landscape of glass, bamboo, steel, biodegradable materials, each chosen as deliberately as the food it protects. Brands such as Weck jars from Germany bring timeless glass preservation to your shelves, stackable, luminous, and endlessly reusable. Beeswrap, made from organic cotton coated in beeswax, replaces plastic film with a whisper of nature's own ingenuity. Gently wrapping herbs, breads, or cheese. For stackable grace, Black Bum offers lunchboxes and fridge containers of stainless steel and bioplastic, sleek and functional, yet designed to endure. And for those who admire modern minimalism, W.M. Porter containers in glass and silicone feel more like objects of art than mere storage, while eco-cozy bamboo lid jars bring warmth and natural elegance to your fridge. Each jar, each wrap, each lid is a choice against waste and a choice for refinement. Thus, the fridge becomes not only a gallery of foods, but of materials, glistening glass, soft linen bags of grains, waxed cotton folded around breads. Preservation is elevated into poetry, and waste has no place in this composition. Tips for listeners: practice intentional shopping. Buy only what you need and love. Use clear containers and labels to celebrate what's inside, inviting use before spoilage. Arrange items so they're visible and accessible, turning each opening of the door into a moment of appreciation. Transform leftovers into new creations. Let creativity be your guide, not guilt. Reflect on how caring for your fridge mirrors how you care for your mind, with gentle attention and graceful order. A fridge that heals is one that endures, not with clutter, but with curation, not with waste, but with reverence. May your home become a sanctuary where food is honoured, beauty is preserved, and sustainability is second nature. Thank you for joining Coaching Hypnosis today. Follow, subscribe, and share this episode with those who cherish elegance with purpose. Until next time, curate consciously, live beautifully, and let every choice tell a story. Mindfully yours, Julie.